Family, what's good, y'all? I'd like to welcome you guys right back to the channel, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for tuning back in and check me out. Also, if you're new to this channel, once again, like I always say, if you're feeling the videos, give it a thumb up and go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. Today, we're stopping right by the Lacoste outlets. We're gonna go in here and see what they got. It's been a minute since I stopped by Lacoste, and I know a lot of times they want a fall selection be crazy. So we're gonna go in today and see what they working with, see what they have. Now, I don't know if Lacoste does the same thing that Ralph Lauren does as far as the text to save money, but if they do have any of those, I'll try to drop them into the video. So yeah, come on, y'all, let's go along and see what Lacoste got for us today. And we're back. So guys, that was Lacoste. It had a lot of nice things in there. I think my favorite may have been the Carolina blue set, along with the the white and like brownish sweater that they had. I'm telling you, I don't know what it is about the color brown. I don't know if, cause that color growing on me, I don't know what it is. I don't know, maybe it's the Travis Scotts we just picked up. I don't know. But just know in the fall, you're gonna be seeing a lot of that colorway from me. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me think. I can't get it together today. Let me know what y'all think about what y'all seen in that store that y'all thought stood out that was dope. And another thing, y'all also let me know. I've been doing like recent pickup videos. Y'all let me know if y'all feeling the recent pickups. If y'all want me to continue to keep doing those. Y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Cause a lot of stuff, like I say, I do purchase online, or I go to the store and purchase when I don't have my camera. I can just always show you guys what I'm getting into, what I'm purchasing, and what I'm looking up to actually start purchasing. So yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all drop that comment down below. And I appreciate y'all once again, man. Your boy is starving. I gotta grab me something to eat. Once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in this video. Thank each and every one of y'all. I'm out.